Hey guys, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. I'm back with another video. Today is an exciting day for the car. I'm taking it to the dealership to actually get this one done. So this is a must-watch video, guys. I need y'all to actually watch this one, spam it, like, comment, share. Yeah, we going all the way up 2020. This is road to 1K, y'all. I'm almost at 700. Thanks y'all for supporting my channel and rocking with your boy. I've been working on some merch too, so yeah, stay tuned for all of this stuff that I got going on, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go to the car, get y'all a cold start, and yeah, show y'all this boy right now. So yeah, let me get up and go through that real quick. All right, guys. This is the car, like I always do. Get y'all a walk around like I always do. Walk around. I gotta see how that boy look before I do anything to it. And yeah, I already know. Anything else? Okay guys, here go that code start inside the vehicle. It's like, I say it's like a mid drone. It's not too, I like it because it's like really deep, but it's not too like high. So, and that's not even with the exhaust tips on it, and this is inside the vehicle, so yeah. All right, y'all. I ain't got a GoPro, so I'm recording this footage on my phone inside the car. I'm basically just driving the car there. Giving y'all some footage inside the car, how it sound. I put my seatbelt on too. Never done this like this. So yeah, on the way there, I'm basically just gonna talk to y'all, get y'all, you know, some more information about me and, you know, my channel, what I'm aiming for. And, you know, basically thank everybody for being a part of the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna start that off with saying thank y'all once again for being a part of the channel, supporting me, you know, from day one, basically. Y'all helped my channel grow a lot. I'm about to be at 700. By the time I drop this video, I'll probably be at 700. So I can't even say, y'all can't even say how much I appreciate that. But yeah, well, I started this channel up from the ground up, y'all, because I mean, I like gaming, and I got this 2014 Dodge Charger SE. Plus, I like, you know, those pop figurines, and I mean, I kind of wanted to do it all, you know. So, you know, but yeah, you know, on YouTube, I don't want to saturate myself with doing so much on one channel. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna, you know, do 3 things like gaming, unboxings, and my car mods and stuff. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching that stuff once again. But yeah, right now, once again, I'm on the way to drop this car off at the dealership and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, everybody watching, I'm sure y'all follow me on IG and everything. It's Slushy Student 38. Same as my YouTube and my gaming is all the same. But yeah, I bought this car back in 2019. I got it in May, but I ain't paid my first payment until like the end of June. So yeah, I'm really pushing a year. It's coming up. It's February now, so I'll be pushing a year in a couple more months. But yeah, I did a bunch of stuff. So I was like, let me start up this YouTube channel. And that's why I was like, and ever since then, I just, you know, it's been like 4 months since I started this channel up. You know. So, and plus then I like I said before, I do gaming. I like to play the game. But yeah, I wanted, like I said before, I'm trying to start up some merch. And, I want to do like a car group. I mean, but like I live in Ohio, so the weather here is not like the best, and people do got nice cars. You just gotta reach out to them. But yeah, I'm trying to start up some type of group, get a logo going. You know, I need y'all to like give me y'all ideas and comments. I appreciate everybody's ideas and like what y'all think about stuff, because I mean that go a long way. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death right here. I just wanted to give y'all a little brief haven't done any no streams in a while because my computer messing up and everything. So like I'm thinking about getting a new computer because like I think the processor on the computer is just not good enough. Getting a lot of lag when I try to record and stuff like that. It's a bunch of nerdy stuff, but yeah. Once again, I want to say thank y'all. I'm gonna stop talking there. I'm gonna flip this camera around when I get there, cause I gotta do some stuff to drop this car off and whatever. And then like when I pick it up and everything, I'm gonna record more and all that and everything. I'm gonna get as much as footage as I can throughout this whole process. But yeah, this is a must do ad. If you ain't got this on your car, you should probably get it. I'm sure that every Dodge Charger probably already, a lot of Dodge Chargers, I'm not gonna say every one, but a lot of Dodge Chargers already probably got this. But yeah, thanks for watching once again. Yeah, I'm at the dealership now. I'm about to see what kind of cars they got in here. See something here. They got a Charger. What kind of Charger is that? I think it's just a XT Charger. Excuse me, sorry. You're fine. Yeah. Interior. Nice interior. The racing seats. It's gotta be a 20. I'm thinking that's a 20, I believe. Oh yeah, I knew it. All-wheel drive 2020, 41,000. SXT. All right, y'all. I'm at Dodge right now. I showed y'all that Charger, but I'm really just trying to just look at cars. Since I'm up here dropping my car, I was like, let me look at a few cars since I'm here. They got some Chrysler 300C. Yeah, it's nice. The wicker bill on the back of that thing. I can look at this one since I'm right here. This must be like a 2020 or 2019, I'm guessing. XST. Yeah. Got two of them out here. Like the 17-inch rims. This must have been a used car. Yeah, that's the sticker on that boy. It's a 33,000. Ain't that bad. All-wheel drive though. Horsepower probably like a 4 something for this. What's the engine? I'm looking for the motor. Oh, it's a V6. V6 3.6 engine. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some more cars out here if I can. I'm looking for the Dodge Durango. I'm looking for that Durango.
And I'll go out and show you how to work it. Plus, we got your security system to work. And code, lock your door, alarm's not on. If you want to put the alarm on, you use this one. You hit the lock button, you'll hear it chirp, the red light will start flashing in the dash. To remote start, press this one time. Starts the vehicle about 800 to 1,000 feet away, always aim it at the car.
Okay.
You can also shut it off by remote by pressing and holding this button and counting to 3. Now you can always remote start it if you didn't want your security on. This one will lock and unlock, leave the alarm. But if you put the alarm on, you have to use this one to shut it off.
Okay.
Because this one will not shut it off.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna go outside here on the side. And you won't have to be worried about being stranded. It's a little push button. You just put the key, you just get in and press that little button, and it'll override the system. It's hidden, kind of like when you're putting these things. off by
How is this?
remote. Yep. Hold, no, you gotta hold. I'll make it. Like that. Kind of lock doors. Then the blue remote, which will put your alarm on.
Hey guys, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. I did the install of the LED blue lights inside the car. I did a video of that. So this is like the next day where I got my LED side marker reflectors for the back of the vehicle. I'm gonna show you guys pictures of it. I'm basically just doing the intro outside. It's real cold and stuff, so I just wanted to jump right into this because I was already doing it and I just wanted to record it. So I'm already like, it's basically live. This is like a live session of me just doing this. I'm just doing this at the back of the car because I mean, this is the part right here. I got it off of Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys how much it costed. This is how much it cost. Right there. Got it off of Amazon. It came in the next day delivery because I got Amazon Prime. Shout out to Amazon. So this is an easy install. I already taken out this reflector. All you gotta do is pop it out. I had already started, like I said. I already jumped into it, so I'm going, you know, since it's a live thing. I didn't think to record, so that's why I was like recording now. But guys, it should go right in. If I can see. I don't know. This might be too fat. It's in there. It's in there. Okay. I could do a test when I open the door and make sure it works. Let me do that. Yep, there it is. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, let me go to the other side. I'm not here to install this back on. No, it's myself. Got the part right here. I kind of like that. Yeah, all you do is prick this in there and you pop it out. So it's simple. It's a real simple install. Do it yourself, kid. I'm just showing you guys how versatile I am. And this one gotta, yeah, like with these, it's kind of hard to pop out, so you gotta like, you really gotta put them. I used the flathead to do it. On the other one, it came out much easier too. I'm not trying to put it like this. I might have to, so you just turn this knob. That's how you, but on the other one, it wasn't like that. I just used the flathead too. But yeah, you just turn the knob and it come right out. It's simple. And then you gotta take the bulb out. Cause the, I'll show you guys. Once you take this bulb out, I'll show you. Take this bulb out. And then you got, it's not a bulb, it's a little chip. So you come in, you just stick, you look where that hole at right there. It's like a little square little chip piece that match up. That match up right there. So you just stick that thing in there. Just gotta make sure it's flipped on the right side. And you put it in there. There it is. I'm just making sure it's all the way in there. But yeah, it's there. And then when you put it in there, it should just snap right in. There it is. Paper off of it. I'll put before and after pictures in there. I'll put before and after pictures in there so you guys can see what that look like. Yeah, so once again, I'm gonna show y'all my LED lights. That's what it look like. And there go the door. Door logo on the ground. You can barely see it because it's like It's not all the way dark out here, but yeah, I did all that myself once again, guys. So yeah, if y'all like this video, just me doing some simple installs. There wasn't much to do these things. If y'all like this video, guys, I need y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching my videos. Once again, it's your boy Social Studio, and I'm out of here. Thank you.